In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access emergency SOS. Then scroll all the way down to click on set up emergency contacts in health. Then click on create medical ID if you don't have one. Create it, and when you're ready, hit done at the top right corner. Then scroll down to edit emergency contacts section by clicking add right next to it. Now select add emergency contact and tap on the chosen one. Then pick relationship status over here. And when you're ready, hit done at the top right corner. As you can see, my contact was successfully added. If you want to delete it, select edit next to emergency contacts. Use remove button next to your contact and hit delete. Then tap on done one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!